Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the importance of a healthy feeding journey and how mothers can make this experience more comfortable and enjoyable. For many mothers, the first few weeks can feel new and sometimes challenging. Learning a new routine, understanding the baby's needs, and adjusting to daily changes all take time. One of the most important things is creating a calm and comfortable environment during feeding times. A relaxed atmosphere can help both mother and baby feel more at ease. Many mothers find that maintaining a regular routine helps them feel more confident over time. Small habits often become easier as both mother and baby get used to them. Taking care of your own health is equally important. Eating balanced meals, drinking enough water, and getting rest whenever possible can help support your daily energy levels. It is also helpful to pay attention to your baby's signals. Over time, parents often learn to recognize when their baby is hungry, tired, or ready for comfort. Every feeding journey is unique. Some mothers adapt quickly, while others need more time to find a routine that works best for them. Patience is an important part of the process. Small improvements each day can build confidence and make daily routines feel much more manageable. Remember that every mother and baby are different. There is no single perfect routine, only the routine that works best for your family. With consistency, patience, and self-care, many mothers find that feeding becomes a natural and rewarding part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.